And I've just put 2 slits with the saw and the centre stick that I'm going to use as the hanger. And then just got my knife, as you've seen, put the point in and hammered it in, and that's made a wee notch that you can hang your pot on. Right, so I'm going to attempt to make hobo stew, so I'll start getting the ingredients prepared. I'm chopping the onions first. I've got onions, potato, carrot, sausage, herbs, and it's going to be a bit of a mishmash, and obviously we'll let it simmer after that. Our potatoes, spuds, whatever you want to call them. Hopefully this works well with the sausage. I mean, you can use any sort of meat. I heard a lot of people use mincemeat for it. Tinfoil. That's why I wrapped it in tinfoil, because you can obviously use that. Get the fire started. Oil. Bit of the Johnny Prep spice rack. But as you can see there, the stew's coming on quite nicely. That's it been simmering away for quite a while. I've just left it while I've been working around the camp. I'll leave it to simmer for a little bit longer, just while I'm sorting my bedding out and stuff. Alright, so that's the hobo stew done. It's just been simmering a while, made a bit of a mess in my pot. I'll go around and wash that soon. That looks quite good. Oh, it smells amazing. Fusty Ferret. Trying to do this one hand. It's a nightmare because it's dark. You can see a bit with the fire. Nope. Just pissed up my bag a bit. A lot, too much for it to have bread. It's absolutely awesome. I'll definitely be making that again. It's a good thing about taking a few beers out with you as well. When you're putting your perimeter wire out, you put cans on it with a stone in it. The thing does hit your perimeter wire, you hear it. I'm definitely having that again, that was delicious. So I think I'll finish my beer and enjoy the fire, and I'll beat a bit of campfire TV.